Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare oats. First, select your preferred type, steel cut, rolled, or quick oats. Each offers a unique texture and cooking time. Steel cut oats, for example, are less processed and provide a wonderfully chewy bite, taking about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. Rolled oats, also known as old-fashioned, are steamed and flattened, cooking in 5 to 10 minutes for a creamy, firm texture. Quick oats are even faster, perfect for busy mornings. Cooking oats on the stovetop is a classic method. For rolled oats, combine 1 part oats with 2 parts liquid, like water or milk. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. If you're short on time, quick oats can be microwaved with a 1 to 1.33 ratio of oats to liquid for about 1 minute. For an extra layer of flavor, try toasting your oats in a little butter for 5 minutes before adding liquid. It really brings out their natural nuttiness. Overnight oats are a fantastic no-cook option for busy mornings. Simply combine 1 part rolled oats with 1 part milk or water in a jar, and let it soak in the fridge for at least 2 hours or, ideally, overnight. Adding a tablespoon of chia seeds helps create a thicker, more satisfying texture and boosts fiber. Get creative with toppings like fresh berries, sliced bananas, toasted nuts, or a touch of maple syrup for a delicious and customizable breakfast. Proper storage ensures your oats stay fresh and delicious. Cooked oatmeal can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. Just thaw them overnight in the fridge before reheating. When reheating, add a splash of milk or water to restore creaminess. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.